San Francisco shows signs of rebound as region hosts Super Bowl. San Francisco is experiencing a revitalization, moving past years defined by negative headlines regarding rising crime and an empty, often dubbed doom loop, downtown. As the Bay Area prepares to host Super Bowl 60, the major sporting event is serving as a backdrop highlighting the city's improving economic and social conditions, signaling a positive shift in direction for the region. According to NBC News' Steve Patterson report, WNBA's newest offer makes small revenue sharing increases. Housing concessions. The WNBA delivered a new collective bargaining proposal to the players' union, offering minor increases in revenue sharing and major concessions regarding player housing and facilities, while the league improved its offer for net revenue sharing and agreed to cover housing for rookies and minimum salary players. The union maintains that the two sides remain far apart on key financial terms, raising concerns about potential delays to the 2026 season. Saks is closing dozens of off-fifth and last call locations. Here's the full list. Bankrupt retailer Saks Global is undergoing a major strategy overhaul, shifting its focus exclusively back to the high-end luxury market. This restructuring means the company is permanently shuttering numerous discount off fifth and last call outlet locations across the country. The move aims to streamline operations and stabilize the company's financial footing amid bankruptcy proceedings, signaling a clear prioritization of luxury retail. How to watch Nuggets vs Bulls. Live stream NBA TV channel. The struggling Denver Nuggets, led by Nikola Jokic and Jamal Murray, visit the drastically overhauled Chicago Bulls at the United Center. Denver is trying to snap a 3-game skid after a double OT loss, while Chicago shows promise with newly acquired players like Anfernee Simons and Jaden Ivey, contributing heavily post-trade deadline. Fans can stream this high-stakes matchup via Fubo. Brook hopes focus to shift to on-field action as formidable England take on Nepal. England, led by Harry Brook, opened their T20 World Cup campaign against Nepal aiming for a strong start. Brook is under pressure following a nightclub incident, which teammate Will Jacks addressed, emphasizing the need to shift focus back to on-field action. Formidable England, boasting a great recent T20I record, face a confident Nepal side that recently defeated the West Indies, setting up an intriguing clash. People escape from windows after 2 trains derail in Spain. 2 high-speed trains tragically derailed in southern Spain on January 18. Dramatic footage shared online showed shaken passengers climbing out of the damaged train windows onto the tracks below to escape the wreckage. Authorities are currently investigating the cause of the double derailment incident, but early reports confirm a challenging evacuation process for those on board. Furansujinwa Taidadeva Nai. Economist Blanchard argues strongly against the perception that the French are lazy. He contends that as productivity improves, the French rationally choose to take these gains partly as increased leisure time, manifesting in fewer working hours per week and earlier retirement ages. Blanchard suggests this preference for leisure over constantly maximizing output is a perfectly fine and reasonable societal choice. Zara Tindall goes under the royal radar in plaid and baseball cap during Australian getaway. Royal Ambassador Zara Tindall was pictured going under the radar during an Australian getaway with husband Mike, while shopping casually in a plaid shirt and baseball cap. The couple is on the Gold Coast fulfilling their long-term roles as ambassadors for the Magic Millions equestrian event. Zara expressed her deep fondness for Australia, describing it as a second home, and noted they are staying in ultra-luxury Gold Coast Accommodations. Coronation Street. Samuel Longchambon declares love to co-star after traitor's message. Coronation Street star Samuel Longchambon attended the 2026 TV Choice Awards in a glittering navy gown, celebrating the night despite the soap missing out on awards. After sharing photos of her glamorous look in meeting the Traitors winner Stephen Libby, the actress received a gushing comment from co-star Sue Devaney. Debbie Webster. Samia responded to the heartfelt post by playfully declaring her love for her castmate on Instagram. Michigan Senate candidate Mike Rogers campaigns from Florida as carpetbagger questions return. Michigan Senate candidate Mike Rogers is again facing intense scrutiny over his residency, as he campaigned extensively from his Florida home and joked about avoiding Michigan's cold weather. Despite raising millions and assembling a far-right coalition, the Republican is battling the persistent carpetbagger label. His campaign is deflecting the criticism by questioning the Michigan ties of Democratic opponents vying for the closely watched Senate seat. GOP insiders reveal Republicans worried about losing United States Senate as midterm panic grips party leadership. Panic grips the GOP as internal data suggests Republicans risk losing the U.S. Senate majority, reversing earlier confidence. Strategists warn of a political earthquake driven by successful Democratic recruitment, voter dissatisfaction, and the need to defend traditionally safe states like Maine and Ohio. This potential loss would be catastrophic for President Trump, stripping him of legislative power and confirming judges. Gisele Bündchen flashes wedding ring for first time after secretly marrying Joaquin Valente. Amid ex-Tom Brady's midlife crisis, supermodel Gisele Bündchen was photographed wearing her wedding band publicly for the first time, confirming her secret marriage to jiu-jitsu instructor Joaquin Valente. The couple, who share a one-year-old son, married in a private ceremony last December, 3 years after Bündchen's high-profile divorce from NFL star Tom Brady. The visible ring offers clarity on the supermodel's new chapter as Brady reportedly navigates a midlife crisis. Use DraftKings promo code to get $300 bonus bets by targeting North Carolina Duke Warriors Lakers on Saturday. This article highlights top sports betting picks for Saturday, coupled with a DraftKings promo code offering new users $300 in bonus bets upon a winning $5 wager. Sportsline projects Duke minus 5.5 to cover against rival North Carolina and the Lakers, minus 2.5 to beat the injury-depleted Warriors. Additionally, an expert backs Illinois plus 1.5 over Michigan State. A parlay of these three best bets yields a plus 589 payout. UFC Fight Night Vegas 113 predictions. Best bets. Full card picks for prelims. Main event. UFC Fight Night Vegas 113 returns with 13 fights, and this guide provides the week's best bets. Editor Eric Richter, fresh off a profitable outing, predicts Mario Bautista will win a grueling decision against Vinicius Oliveira. He also backs a dominant performance from Kyoji Horiguchi over Amir Albazi, expecting Horiguchi to secure a finish and push for a title shot. Full card picks are included, complete with odds and detailed rationale. Air Canada adds new winter flights to Europe and Latin America. Air Canada is significantly boosting its winter 2024 international schedule, responding to demand for premium travel. New routes include non-stop service to Quito, Ecuador, and increased frequencies to destinations like Rio, Lima, and Santiago, primarily utilizing the Boeing 787 Dreamliner fleet. Looking ahead to 2026, The airline will introduce the long-range Airbus A321XLR, featuring lie-flat seats on narrow-body aircraft, to expand services to markets including Europe and Mexico. I saw firsthand how Epstein and Ghislaine got their claws into the world's most powerful men. By Barbara Amiel, high society wife of legendary newspaper baron Conrad Black. Barbara Amiel details her unsettling interactions with Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell, describing Epstein's highly effective networking through figures like Leslie Wexner, while recounting a dinner attended by Donald Trump. She argues the obsession with the super rich in the Epstein files ignores that sexual deviance transcends economic class. Ultimately, Amiel highlights Epstein's extraordinary financial clout, which allowed him to exert influence over some of the world's most powerful bankers and politicians. Joe Burrow is spotted at Super Bowl party with stunning blonde model who previously dated Romeo Beckham. Bengals quarterback Joe Burrow sparked new romance rumors after being spotted cozying up to stunning blonde model Sophie Julia at an exclusive Super Bowl party in San Francisco. Julia, an Alo hospitality manager and influencer who once briefly dated Romeo Beckham, posed with the NFL star. This sighting casts doubt on Burrow's previous rumored relationship with model Olivia Ponton and highlights potential shifts in his personal life. New NBA dunk contest champ assured and shooting stars return. The NBA All-Star festivities will feature a brand new slam dunk contest champion, as reigning winner Mac McClung will not defend his title against 4 newcomers, including Jackson Hayes. Additionally, the league is reviving the popular Shooting Stars Team Skills competition, which was last held in 2015. This year's format includes trios of 2 current NBA players and a retired legend. The NRL can do nothing to stop rugby's raids, and the worst may be yet to come. The article argues that the NRL is powerless to prevent its top talent from defecting to rugby union, especially given the lure of international careers in cities like Paris and London. Mocking the distress of NRL fans, the editor highlights several prominent players, including Joseph Okuso-Suaalii and Nathan Cleary, who have already committed to or are rumored to be considering the cross-code switch, suggesting the talent drain is escalating. Dutch speed skaters lead public support is Milan Cortina Winter Olympics Open. The Milan Cortina Winter Olympics have begun, sparking high expectations for the Dutch team. Supported by the royal family, a new Dutch panel survey reveals massive public backing for speed skaters. Femke Kok and Jutta Leerdam lead the popularity poll, followed by other notable athletes, including several high-profile couples. Nearly half of respondents expect the Netherlands to equal or surpass their 17-medal haul from the 2022 Beijing Games.